Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be doing some Target little Halloween hacks, you know, because I'm like, I could spend all my money at Target because they got cute, and I'm talking cute Halloween stuff. What's going on? But like, what's better than just doing your own little DIYs, right? So what we're gonna do today is I got three little ideas for you. I might pop some final images up on the screen real quick. Ooh, oh, you missed it. Gotcha. The idea is like, I'm gonna DIY my own Target Halloween decor, but also like use some Halloween decor from Target to make some dupes for like really expensive stuff. Like, why is this $300? Because I can make it better, and on my own for like less money. I'm feeling fall and festive in my sweater. It's so cold. All right. Have fun watching my video. So the first DIY I'm going to start this off with is I saw this owl at Anthropologie, and I was like, that's kind of cute. It's a little spooky, and it's like a little light. So it's like everything I want and more, right? But I looked at the price tag, and I said, hello? I said $300, or somewhere around there, because I don't remember how much it is, but it was expensive, and you're going to see it on the screen right now. I said, absolutely not. I said, I can make that for less than 20 bucks. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. So I have this metal ring that I'm going to input a little bit, like a video of me making it. So I covered it in clay, and you'll kind of see that, and we're going to fix it up today. But I needed it to dry. It's like a 2 to 3 day drying period, so I ain't got the time for that, so I did it ahead, you know, because I'm planning for you guys. Anyway, so we got metal ring. All right, I found this little metal plate. It was from like an old candle I had, and I just hammered it to make it look like a little swasta dish or an eye patch. And I said, "Arr, matey,
I'm a pirate."
Anyways, I got this globe light at Menards that didn't have a price tag on it, so the lady's like,
You want it half off?
and I said, absolutely I do. And she said, all right. And I said, great. Have a great day, Linda. This is where the Target part of the thing comes in, because this is like a $5 Halloween owl from Target. You're my world, and I don't know what I would do without you. So to start up, heat up my glue gun. What's inside? It's just a glue gun. You guys are crazy. Ow. My bald little head, it hurts, I'm bleeding. So as the glue gun heats up, I'm using that because I'm gonna attach this guy right here. Can you see that? Can you even see? All right, so now that I've let the spackle dry that I kind of put all over the thing, I'm gonna go sand it outside because that's safer, and I'm not in a well-ventilated area, and I'm gonna go crazier than I already am. Whoa, whoa, we're driving outside. Whoa, wow. Hey guys, what are you doing there? Oh my God, look. I brought the ring out and we're gonna sand it, so you're gonna kind of watch me do that. We're outside and it's noisy and it's windy, and you're just gonna have to deal with it, so I apologize. So, you like anybody? Alright, so we've got everything all painted, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous, yes, looking good. And I've got my globe, so I got all my little materials set, and I got my hot glue gun. Beep, beep, beep. So I let these dry for a couple hours, you know, because spray paint doesn't set right away, even though you want it to. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try to connect this ring with this circle somewhere in here. I made marks before, and I think they're somewhere. Look how beautiful this paint is, first of all. I mean, now it kind of looks like real metal. It's called like oil rub bronze. Oh, it's just gorgeous. You look so good. Hello. Anyways, I'm gonna glue this or something. Glue. So while I wait for this glue to kind of like drip down, which will be like a couple of minutes, honestly, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna glue the ring to the little pedal, and then what I'm also gonna do is I need the owl to hold the ring somehow, right? So it's gonna be like this. So I need to get my Dremel out and kind of dig some holes in here. So I'm gonna figure that all out off camera and kind of show you the process and figure out what I did. But his feet are gonna say goodbye to his little toes. Oh, he's gonna start in OnlyFans. I think I hit a new low. All right, so I know I told you I was just gonna like glue everything together and get back to you when it was all done, but I was like, hey, that's not accurate, and that's not really telling people how long things take. It's gonna really underplay how long super glue takes to dry, because it takes like 1 to 2 hours to set, but a full day to cure. So anyways, I glued that together. So now when I put this on there, it'll look like this. So it's like a gloob. And then the other big thing I did while you were away, while you were gone, is I dremeled little holes in his feet. Can you see these? I did that so it can go on there and it'll look like he's kind of holding it. So yeah, once I'm done with this, I'll kind of show it to you. That's all it was. Now we got our second DIY. Who is it? Come on in. Woo! Look at you guys. You two are just a cute little couple.
Oh, we're not a couple. We're siblings.
All right, guys. You made it awkward. You made it very awkward. I kind of did these beforehand, anyways, just like the ring. So I'm gonna input a little video in a second. In a second. Did you wait? You thought I was gonna switch? Nope. I got to explain it because I have the hot glue gun out now. So I want to do this real quick for you guys. You see that? So this is what I'm trying to like redo. It's just like a simple little cauldron tea light candle thing that Target sold, which is already super cheap, so I don't know why I'm making my own, but it's more fun when you have your own stuff anyways, right? Because you're like, I made that, and everyone's like,
that's sick.
Then you're like, yeah, I know. I'm gonna insert this video of me making these little cauldron things real quick, and then we're gonna be right back. Kind of fierce. What I want to do is just put these back together as best as I can, because they're not going to be a perfect circle, but we're going to glue it and then use the spackle like we normally do. Come on, get it together. Okay, so I'm going to put it on here and go. Okay, I waited too long. Go, go, go. I'm doing it. I'm not doing it, Mom. I didn't do it. I'm going to get super glue. I'll be right back. We're having issues. We're having problems. It's fine. I'll be right back. Oh, God. New Gorilla Glue, the strongest glue you have ever seen. You gotta squeeze real hard. So what you gotta do to get the glue out, you gotta squeeze it real hard, real good. Squeeze it good. It's a boy. This is awful, guys. Hi. Bad news. I did a thing, and I really broke my clay pieces into pieces. More pieces. So and my heart I broke into even smaller pieces. So, you know, I'm a little upset. I might have had a meltdown and a breakdown, but I'm fine because I'm a DIY queen. And you know what, DIY queens, we roll with the punches, we get things done, and nothing's gonna stop me from making these little tiny cauldrons, okay? So I could just go to Target and buy it for $5, but you know what? I'm not gonna let them win, and I'm gonna do this. So I still have little things with cute little feet. Look at these little piggies. Look at their little piggies. I glued these guys on, and we're gonna let those dry. And you know, we're just gonna make a cauldron without a rim. Whatever Nicki Minaj said about rim. Rim. So I'm gonna throw away these clay pieces aggressively because I'm upset right now. But we're not gonna let it win, and we're gonna have cute cauldrons by the end of this video because I'm gonna spray paint the out of these. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. All right, so I brought the cauldrons out. Oh. Hey, what are you doing here? Oh, hey, yeah, no, I'm spray painting over here, yeah. Oh, no, I mean, I just came out to spray these, yeah. Do you mind if I... No, I mean, go ahead and use the table. It's all free. It's all for you. All for you. Okay, cool. All right. I won't bother you. Who is that? Anyways, okay, so here are the... As I was... Hey, do you mind, like, quieter? I'm trying to film a video. Please, like... No, I'll be quieter. I'm gonna spray paint these. All right, don't look. I'm back. There's a secret underneath my hands. Whoop! Oh, just kidding. You didn't even see it. Ha! Got you. Ah! Oh, did you see it? I think you did. unless I crop the camera somewhere else, so woo, we don't know. This is a long, rough journey that you guys know, and we got upset, but DIY queens, we get back up, we get back on our feet, we grab our little pens and pencils, and we say, what can we do with this? So it's not exactly what I wanted, not exactly what I want, but it still looks cute. So this is what it looks like. All right, well, I'm 1 for 2 against the DIYs today, so they're kicking my butt. But you know what? We shall prevail because the next one is easy as hail. Technically not a swear, so I don't have to bleep it, but I got the rhyme in. You know what? Let me just show you the ingredients. I'm going down. Hello. And look what I found. Hiding underneath my table. Just the supplies I needed. Who would have thought? This is what I'm working with right now, right? It's just an empty little kind of lantern-y wall hangy thing that I got at Goodwill for like $4. I don't know if it was half off, but it's a steal. The idea is that Target sells these like lanterns over the summertime, which I'll put a picture in right here. I wanted to come up with this idea of like, you know, we're doing DIYs, we're doing thrifty, flippy things, we're being resourceful, we're reusing. We're not buying new stuff just because Target put it out and it's adorable and it looks like this. The bones of this look exactly like the summer lantern, so I'm like, that's interesting. They're probably using the same product, but just making it look a little different, so you'd buy it again. I was gonna take one of those summer lanterns, spray paint it black, put some like little paper cutouts inside and make a new roof and be like, this is how you can reuse it, and then you can spray paint it back again for the summertime. But it's not summertime, as you can tell by the date that this video was published. It's September, well, October. I'm filming it in September, but it is October for you. Technically, how does time work again? I found like the next best thing. This is kind of like a lantern-y thing, like pretend it was this shape, you know, up and down, but we're gonna make it fat and squat, so it's gonna be like a big spooky house. And I got these little acrylic sheets that we're gonna frost outside after we cut them. So let me get a knife and I'll be right back, all right? I'm back. So all we're gonna do here is kind of measure the inside portions of these, because it's a lip, if you can see. I'll zoom in there so you can kind of fit the pane like inside there so it won't show. So this one, I want to make 4.5 inches. So I'm gonna cut out 2 4.5-inch little squares, and then I'm gonna cut out the next one, and I'm gonna go show you me frosting them, and then I think I'll come back because do you want to watch me like do all this boring stuff and just stare into my bald head as I'm like, that's a good cut. You're doing great, buddy. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. Okay, so I brought these panels out to spray too. What are you guys doing here? Hey man. Yeah, no, I'm spraying out here too. Yeah, he's over there. Yeah. All right, yeah, I'll be right over there. I'll catch up with you later. I'm gonna go spray these. Oh, we're back inside. It was honestly too cold out, so I just had to come back inside, or I'm sweating up a storm. We're coming back with the lantern stuff, and part of the lantern was the little like ghosty cutouts anyway. So we frosted the glass, but I want to make the little spooky cutouts first, so we can tape them on there, and then kind of just go from there. Just kind of come up with some fun Halloween-y themed things, like Boo, or like a skeleton, or like a bat. What does a bat look like? I don't know what a bat looks like. And then once you cut out all of like the little decorations that you're gonna make, you can also start designing the rooftop of the house, because the ones that like I showed you before, they kind of have like a spooky roof. So really all you're gonna want to do, like I'm gonna have to tape a few of these together, but you want to make like a trapezoid shape, so then when you push it together, it'll look like a house. So kind of make it bigger than you think you need it, and then go from there. I'll meet up with you guys once I cut out my things, and you're gonna see them cut out, and we're gonna tape everything together, and then that's what we're gonna do. So I cut out all my little shapes. Look at these little spooky things. Ooh, I gotta put eyes on this guy, but it's like a little skeleton and a moon, and then a bat, right there. Can you see any of these? I don't know if you can. And then I got one that says boo, so you can't see it, but like, it's there. Okay, crazy thought. So I cut all these out and I'm like, why don't I tape them together? I know. You're like, whoa, stop. Don't do that. I think I'm gonna. I really think I'm gonna tape them together. So then like I can finish the project and then you can see it in like the next cut to like the final thing. All right, just popping back in with a quick editor's note before I show off everything, but you'll understand why, because this is the roof that I made initially for this project for the lantern, and I was like, yeah, that's good, yeah, it's great, but it's fine, whatever, but it's black paper, it's so flimsy, it looks like garbage. I was like, you know what, I need to make this, these are luxury DIYs. I want people to think like these are actually like nice things that you could buy in the store. So I got, it's called masonite, it's hardboard, whatever, it's not cardboard, but it's hardboard. They're like cousins. They're distantly related. They know each other. They see each other at the family functions, but they don't really get along because they're just so different. I took some of that because I had it left over from like a furniture project I was working on, but cardboard you can totally do. So I made this, right? Look how nice this is. It's like fancy and I sprayed it in the same color. Like you can't even, these are not even comparable. All right, well, there you go. Those were the DIYs. I hope you enjoyed those, and I hope you're going to make a few of them because, like you saw, they're kind of easy. A little bit stressful for one of them. You know what I'm talking about. I'm having more flashbacks. Let me know what you thought about all the DIYs, and if you hated them, let me know that one too, because that's the most important thing, is to spread hate on the internet in my comment section. Look forward to next week's video where we're gonna be taking like thrifted items and turning them into luxurious Halloween decor. All right, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like leave a comment down below if you want to talk to me, because I respond to all of them. And then like the video, right? That's what people do these days. You like the videos. Okay. It's really hot. It's really hot. I need to take this off. God. Okay. All right.